Let me show you all of the display settings on Realme Note 60. And first we'll need to launch our settings. Inside, move to the display, which should be available right there. And then the first option is to choose our display theme, and we can switch between light and the dark mode. I'm gonna stick with the light mode. Then you can schedule it for a certain time of a day or from sunset to sunrise. If you want to, then you can just pick a time where the night light should be enabled right here. So for example, we can choose a start time at 10 p.m. and the end time at 6 a.m. I'm gonna also disable that schedule just in case. Then we can move to the brightness settings. You can adjust the display brightness using a slider. Also, we can activate auto brightness, which will automatically adjust our brightness depending on the situation. And next is lock display, lock screen. And then there's all of the different settings that we can customize. For example, shortcuts, we can change the left as well as the right shortcut for our lock screen. Then the wallpaper carousel, which will we need to update it first, but maybe we don't. Yep. So you can update it to get the latest wallpapers for that. And what it does, it allows you to pick a custom wallpapers after a few minutes. So if it's enabled, it just cycles through different wallpapers. And